Lincoln Electric is a globally recognized leader in welding technology, known for its high-quality welding machines, consumables, and automation solutions. Founded in 1895 by John C. Lincoln in Cleveland, Ohio, the company has grown into one of the most trusted names in the welding industry. With a strong commitment to innovation, reliability, and customer satisfaction, Lincoln Electric continues to lead the way in advancing welding technology. History and growth. Lincoln Electric started as a small electric motor manufacturing company. In 1906, the company introduced its first welding machine, marking the beginning of its journey into the welding industry. Over the years, Lincoln Electric expanded its product line, introducing new welding technologies and techniques. The company's focus on research and development has enabled it to remain at the forefront of the industry for more than a century. Today, Lincoln Electric operates in over 160 countries, providing welding solutions for industries such as construction, automotive, aerospace, shipbuilding, and energy. Product line and innovations. Lincoln Electric offers a wide range of welding equipment and accessories designed for different applications. Some of the company's most popular welding machines include MIG welders. Machines like the Power MIG 210 MP and Power MIG 256 are designed for precision and efficiency, making them ideal for automotive, fabrication, and home use. TIG welders. The Square Wave TIG-200 is one of the most sought-after machines for professional and hobbyist TIG welding. Stick welders, durable and easy to use. Models like the Invertech 5155-S are perfect for heavy-duty industrial welding. Engine-driven welders. Machines like the Ranger 225 provide power for remote job sites where electricity is unavailable. Multi-process welders. Advanced machines like the PowerWave S500 allow users to perform MIG, TIG, stick, and other welding processes with a single device. Plasma cutters. The Tomahawk 1000 is a high-performance plasma cutter designed for cutting metal with speed and precision. Lincoln Electric also invests in automation and robotic welding, providing cutting-edge solutions to enhance productivity and quality in large-scale industrial applications. Commitment to quality and sustainability. Lincoln Electric is dedicated to producing high-quality welding equipment that meets the highest industry standards. The company continually invests in research and development to improve welding efficiency and safety. Additionally, Lincoln Electric focuses on sustainability, developing energy-efficient welding solutions to reduce environmental impact. Global reach and customer support. With manufacturing and distribution centers worldwide, Lincoln Electric ensures that its products and services are easily accessible. The company provides excellent customer support, including technical assistance, training programs, and welding education through the Lincoln Electric Welding School, one of the oldest and most respected welding training institutions. Conclusion. Lincoln Electric has built a legacy of excellence in welding technology. Through its commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, the company continues to be a trusted partner for welders and industries worldwide. Whether for small workshops or large-scale industrial projects, Lincoln Electric remains a top choice for welding solutions.